back to our channel. We're here on a little hike with the family. That's Abby, Genesis, Daddy, and Daniel way in the back. So ahorita venimos a hacer una pequeña caminata. Caminata. Estamos tomando las precauciones, usando nuestra mascarilla y estando 6 pies aparte de la gente. Pero es muy bueno salir a caminar para poder distraer la mente, así que los traemos con nosotros y espero que les guste. Se mira hermoso, está al lado de la playa, así que les voy a estar enseñando por dónde andamos, ¿ok? Entonces les voy a enseñar. Anna, hi mama, let me see. Oh my god, you look so beautiful. Okay, so over there we can see the beach. So nice, beautiful tree. Oh my god, the beautiful butterfly, look. You can see the ocean. Okay. Hey Liana, hi baby, are you happy? Yeah, it's beautiful out here. It's in PV, really close to our house. 26 minutes away, and we're out here doing a little hiking. Look at that, it's so nice. Oh, I miss the wind. So good. So few people here, not a lot. So I live.
Right?
Yeah? No, she wants to walk. You want to walk, right, Mama? You want to walk, Abby? Yeah. Come on, guys. You guys got it. With this mask, it's really hard to breathe. I honestly hate them, but we have to wear them. I like Eliana, it's just so pretty. A friend of ours gifted to us. So nice. Hi, Abby. Hi, Abby. Are you having fun? Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's nice, right? Look at that. Wow, we're gonna try to go down there. Yeah. There could be rattlesnakes here. Yeah. This one was really easy. This hike is really easy. Yeah, he did. Eliana, you got tired already? Come on, little girl. You need to walk. Oh, I almost fell. I almost tripped on that. Se siente rico la brisa. No es aquí, ¿no? Por aquí. Are you tired, Genesis?
I want to go home.
Oh no, you're boring. So, venimos desde allá arriba y llegamos aquí. Miren esto. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So, llegamos aquí. Eliana. Oh my god, baby. Hi baby, look at mommy. Hi baby. Te dije que te pusieras unos chores. Ay, ay, ay.
Ok, que venimos allá. Una bolsita y hubiéramos traído para meter el suéter.
Yeah. Yes, you do. Because there's more people here. Eliana! My baby!
máscara, Eliana. Eliana. Ella no conocía mucho eso, ¿no?
No.
Mira, esta no está, esta otra está very cold,
I think this is Eliana first time in the beach.
you know?
When we came last time, she was a baby. Ah, this is your first time. Estamos en El Salvador, pero estaba bien chiquita ella, ¿te acuerdas?
Sí.
Ahora ya sabe. Oh my God. Eliana, ¿ya te cambiaste? ¡Ay! Te vas a ensuciar, mi amor. Mírame. ¡Wow! Oh my God, esto ha sido una aventura. Como no veníamos preparados, ni toalla ni nada, estamos aquí batallando. Daniel, ¿te está secando? Y la Kenneth es su papá, le está echando agua para quitarle la arena de los pies. Oh my God. Next time vamos a venir preparados para poder hacer esto bien con los niños. Eliana, ¿ya no tienes frío, mi amor? Ya no toques la arena, please, porque te vas a ensuciar otra vez. No toques la arena, ¿ok? ¿Te gusta el mar, mi amor? ¿Te gusta el mar? ¿Sí? Está bonito el mar, ¿verdad, mamá? I love you. ¿Me das un besito? ¡Mua!
En la arena. No, espera, aquí voy a ver. Espérate.
We're gonna go up there where those people are, and then we're gonna go to a car. Guys, there's a lizard right there. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a lizard there. Oh my gosh, she's getting... No, there's a lizard. Look. She can't see it. It's very camouflaged.
Right there. Oh. You see it? You see it, baby?
It's very camouflaged. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Oh, he left.
No, it's right there. It's behind it.
Oh, encontramos una ardillita right there. Can you guys see it? Oh, look, right there. Eliana, are you able to see it? Say bye. Say bye. Sí, la ardillita, mi amor. Ahí está la ardillita. Okay, so I know. Oh, my legs. Come on, Daniel, pick up your feet. We made it.
from